Welcome back, guys. We got the bean head on, getting her switched over, and just finishing up hooking up some hoses. We'll start beans here tomorrow, and we'll start rolling on them. Okay guys, so I believe the last clip you will have seen would have been us cutting beans at night. That would have been on a Monday. It rained that night, couldn't do anything Tuesday. Wednesday, my dad finished up that field of beans. That'd be our first field. Got along good there, but I was off doing something on the livestock side that you'll see in another video. And then it rained again Thursday. It was too tough, just a little too tough. And Friday, we were able to do a little custom job for a guy. Finished that up last night. So it's Saturday here, just around noon now. And we're switching back to corn. As you can see, just getting this opened up here. And the reason for that would be it rained again last night. We got a 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch. They're talking rain tonight. I checked the beans this morning around 9 o'clock. I mean, the sun was out, it was just a little breeze, not much though. And they were tough. I couldn't hardly even get a pod open, let alone, the beans be ready. So we decided to switch back over. Got the combine switched, got the cart over here, got the semi ready. All we really got to do is we're going to bin this corn as well, so we got to get the auger set up. But we thought, we may not get a ton done today. I mean, we'll get a few trucks, but the real kicker will be if it rains tomorrow, we would be out tomorrow and maybe Monday. So that's what we're doing now, and I gotta go catch the combine. It's the next morning. We got started on that field of corn last night after we switched back to corn, and we're just greasing everything up. He's blowing a filter out over there, fueling up the combine and this tractor, and we should be rolling. We got one truck delivered last night, and then we were off doing something with the livestock. But yeah, should be about ready to go here this morning, get this cornfield out and then evaluate. We didn't get much rain. I still think we're gonna be time ahead. We're gonna be time ahead to do what we're doing here. I think the beans are pretty tough, even yesterday and this morning. So if we get some of this out, we can get the cows turned out on it and then switch back to beans. But we'll see how the day progresses.
truck in the bin. Move the boot here and come up to the top of the bin. That wheel's seen better days. And I don't think any of them are aired up. Maybe a couple, I don't know. Right about there. Just a little above our door. Filling up nicely. We're up over the door there. Looks like I had a little bit of leak in there. Should be fine now. And there's our marker. We pull up to that block for the back hopper, pull up to that bottle for the front one. We'll get back on the road and get another truck in. At the bin. About to wrap up one portion of that farm, one of the bigger fields. Last truck of the night. Should pretty well fill the bin. We're going to switch back to beans this week. Try to get a good chunk of those done. It looks like we have a beautiful week coming up. Pretty much no rain for 8 days. We could really use that. Give us a chance to get a chunk of them done. In a load of beans. We just finished up some custom beans. We're taking these in and then we'll get moved to the next field. We just got some smaller patches to do here first. I'll try to show you guys some of that. Just finished up this bean field here at my house. It was 9 acres. I did an absolutely terrible job filming because I did not get any film. Hey guys, we just finished harvesting this 9 acres at my house. Did pretty well. These were the last beans we planted, middle of June after we took the cows off. I think it ran mid-40s. From what I'm hearing, so pretty happy with that. Always want more, but I wasn't able to film anything. I actually spent most of my time in the combine. I was working on the header height control. It worked all day and didn't work tonight, so we'll have to take a look at that tomorrow in the daylight. But we got this done. I'm gonna tarp this semi. They're talking a slight chance of rain tonight, and we'll be back tomorrow. Try to get the truck filled and get it delivered and keep moving on bean harvest. So just to kind of recap where we're at, we should have less than 100 acres of corn left at this point, and we have completed maybe 15 acres of beans. So we haven't done a lot of beans. They will move quick. We have a good week here, and then we'll see what the rest of the weather is after that. So real happy with where we're sitting, and yeah, we'll just keep moving forward. We actually have some other things happening on the farm with the livestock, and then what we're doing with that ground that we chopped as well. So we'll show you that, and keep on watching. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video.